Brothers and sisters, a gentle reminder as we break our fast during Ramadan. Do you know that when Jibril, may Allah be pleased with him, taught the Prophet, peace be upon him, the prayer times over 2 days, Maghrib was prayed at exactly the same time on both days? Unlike the other prayers which have a range of time, Maghrib has the shortest window from sunset until the twilight disappears. This is why our scholars say we must pray it promptly. After waiting all day with patience, don't let the iftar distract you from this urgent obligation. Break your fast with dates and water, then stand before Allah immediately. The food will wait for you, but the time for Maghrib will not. Which do you value more, filling your stomach or answering Allah's call on time? Please pray first and eat after. May Allah accept our fasts and prayers.